Buenas tardes, realizando la actividad número 4. Are you sure you have a strategy? Asignatura de estrategia. Estudioso Jorge Enrique González. Empezamos con el glossary. Market segmentation I help us to focus on the different needs and characteristics of a product type. Promotion. Hide the consumer the ease of having profitability in purchases and we as a company profitability in low turnover products. Customer support provided accompanying the client with the chef in the preparation of recipes. Quality. Set of properties inherent in an object. Cost to service. Percentage valued of profitability. Optimize the use of resources, effectiveness and efficiency to achieve great goods using the largest amount of resources possible. Budget. It's an estimate of income and expenditure for a set period of time. Technology. Is the science applied to solving specific problems. Environment. Contributing actively to the protection and sustainability of the environment. Generate a culture of innovation. Encompass the entire value chain it is about creating value through a wide new world of people. Related to the company where I work. The company where I work focuses on the institutional market. The strategies established by the best strategic partner for the client. We are also a human team committed to innovation and sustainable development, working for the best organizational climate, the total satisfaction of the client, and optimal cost to service for all partners. Quality objective, achieve profitable growth, contributed to evidence and leadership of the market. Warranty superior customer service. Ensure the development of human talent. Achieve efficiency in operational process. Generate a culture of innovation. Conclusions. We must take into account the path that leads to the specific goal. Competitive strategies developed by companies is the key factor that can on the will compete in the market, and they depend on whether or not you have success in your manager business. It is very important that companies can identify the most effective strategy or set of strategies to compete efficiently. Only by establishing the relevant strategy can the goal and objectives proposed by the companies be achieved for a strategy to be successful. It must be consistent with the evaluations and goals, with the resources and capabilities of the same with its environment. its structure and organizational system. A strategy is also needed to stabilize to will be responsible for the management of the company and discover what the priority will be when it comes to achieving objectives. In this way, each member of the organization will be able to count which aspects to focus on conflicts at quality achieve the objectives. Thank you very much.